A flat and level sill is crucial when mulling units in the opening. The sill should be within 1/16 of an inch flat and level to achieve a successful mull and installation. Shim where necessary to bring the sill to level. Set the first window in the opening and hold it in place by either tacking a corner of the nail fin or simply having someone hold it in the opening. Insert a backer rod between the frame and rough opening. Plumb the window inside to out. Shim and fasten the jambs at the top and bottom. Check the frame for square by taking diagonal measurements. If the measurements are equal, the frame is square, and you can fasten the opposite top corner. You may need to make some adjustments. If that is the case, adjust your shims and refasten. Plumb the next jamb, then shim and fasten at the head jamb. If necessary, apply foam pads at the top and bottom of the jamb, flush with the exterior. Apply a continuous bead of sealant along the length of the frame. Overlap the sealant onto the foam blocks. Set the next unit in the assembly close to the previous unit. Adjust the window and align it with the previously installed unit. Insert a backer rod between the frame and rough opening. Plumb the units and then clamp them once they are aligned on all planes. Fasten at each pre-drilled hole location with the screws from the bag marked with an orange dot. With the units clamped on the exterior, apply the exterior mull cover. These can be seated with a rubber mallet. Continue this process until you've reached the opposite side jamb. Then plumb the jamb and fasten. Apply the interior covers. These are barbed on and can be seated with a rubber mallet. Install the interior jamb covers. You can push these straight on until the connecting barb seats into the frame. Install the head jamb and sill covers last. Insert the lock handle cover into the locking jamb cover recess. Insert the forked end of the lock handle to fit around the lever on the lock. Push the handle in until you feel it snap into place. Install the crank hardware cover. Snap the cover on the base of the hardware. Seat the handle on the hardware spline, then turn the crank handle until the sash is completely closed. Remove the handle from the spline. Then reseat it a line slightly lower than horizontal. Now tighten the set screw to keep the handle in position on the spline. Finally, seat the handle in the recess in the cover.